Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Today we will share with you about implementation of assessment in the current primary school mathematics curriculum. Our group consists of 4 members. The first one is AFIQ. Next, ILYANA. Third is me, Balqis. And lastly, IFFAH. What is assessment? Primary school mathematics standard-based curriculum and assessment documents focus on the mastery of knowledge, skills and values that are suitable with the pupil's abilities. The example of assessment in mathematics is student self-assessment, survey, problem solving, portfolio and model.
Mathematics assessment can help students. Students need to learn to monitor and evaluate their progress. When students are encouraged to assess their own learning, they become more aware of what they know, how they learn and what resources they are using when they do mathematics. Conscious knowledge about the resources available to them and the ability to engage in self-monitoring and self-regulation are important characteristics of self-assessment that successful learners use to promote ownership of learning and independence of thought. Our group will present the assessment of mathematics year 3 and the topic are fraction, decimals and percentage. The content standard for this assessment are fractions.
So here, the example of problem-based question assessment. Hannah's Heaven's Delight Cakes and Pastry Shop will be having its 10th anniversary. On the day of the celebration, all bakery goods will be sold at half their regular price. The first question is, Hannah bought 45 kg of strawberries. 15 kg of it was used in making strawberry overload cakes and others were used to make strawberry jam. How many fractions of the strawberry were used for strawberry overload cakes? The second question is, on the day of the celebration, during the first 5 minutes, 12 of the 30 boxes of chocolate chip cookies were sold. At the end of the day, only 2 boxes of chocolate chip cookies are left. How many fractions of chocolate chip cookies were sold on that day? And the third question is, each box contains 5 pieces of cookies. The 2 leftover boxes of the chocolate chip cookies will be divided equally to her siblings, which is AFIQ, IFFAH, ILYANA and Balqis. The question is, how many pieces of cookies each of them will get? Based on the question, performance standard for knowledge that we want the student to achieve is on level 5. It is because at that level, students are able to solve daily routine problems involving fraction using various strategies. Daily problem. The problem is based on real-life situation. For example, the number of cookies sold in a given period. And the various strategy is, students use more than one operation to solve the problem.
Performance standard for skills and processes applied by the question are level 4 and 5. For level 4, students able to solve complex routine problem and able to show the accurate justification for mathematics activity involving more than one calculation. Students also able to explain mathematical ideas systematically using correct language, symbol or visual representation. Student able to connect concept and procedure to solve daily routine problems. Lastly, students able to use representation to solve daily routine problems. For performance level 5, students able to solve complex routine problems using various strategies, able to show the accurate justification for mathematics activity involving routine problem solving, and able to explain mathematical ideas systematically using correct mathematical language, symbol, or visual representation to solve routine problems. Students also able to connect concepts and procedure to solve daily routine problems using various strategy and use various representation to solve daily routine problem using various strategy. Here is the example of how students answer question 1 and 2. For question 3, the example of situation is included.
Okay, now the celebration is over. I better prepare for the closing. Oh, there's 2 boxes of cookies left. What should I do? I better give it to my siblings. Hello guys.
Hello.
Look what I brought home.
Wow, is that your chocolate chip cookies?
Yes, you can enjoy it together.
But Hannah, there is 4 of us. How should we divide this?
Yes, Hannah, please help us.
Haha, alright, we should be fair. Let's see. Each box contains 5 pieces of cookies and there's 4 people. So each of you should get 2 pieces of cookies. But there are 2 more cookies left. I think each of the leftover cookies should be break into 2 parts. So we have another 4 parts of cookies and still can divide equally between all of you. Or we can break all of the cookies into 2 parts and we're gonna have 20 parts of cookies. So each of you guys still gonna get 5 parts of cookies equally.
Such brilliant ideas, Hannah! By using the first or second idea, we are able to enjoy the cookies equally.
Oh, thank you, Hannah.
Welcome, dear.
Based on the situation, Hannah able to provide 2 ideas. Here is the first one where each of them get 2.5 cookies. And this is the second where each of them able to get 5 parts of cookies.
Based on that question, performance standard for attitude and values that we want students to achieve is on level 5, which is pupils always practice attitude and values related to mathematics in teaching and learning process and become a mentor to their peers. On that situations, Hannah applying the attitudes and values of mathematics in her life, which is Hannah is a mentor to the other peers. Hannah able to taught various strategies to ensure the cookies manage to split equally between her siblings. That is all from us. Thank you.